So I want to share something right now that's really resonated with me today, and that is living. You can only have a true way of life, of living, when you have released all regret, all negativity from your heart. Okay. And yes, it might come up from within or without. And if it does, here's a way that Bob Proctor taught me how to live in love and enjoy. Think of a person or something that you love, like maybe your pet, a baby, a friend, family member, somebody who you love, right? Think of somebody who you love, who gives you love, and then just picture yourself hugging them. Now, if there's something or someone, okay, that is treating you bad, or you just don't like for some reason, because so you're the problem. This person has done nothing to you. See yourself hugging or giving that person, or seeing that person and giving that love to them. I like to hug them. And Bob Proctor says, just see yourself, loving that person, hugging that person with the same love that you have, okay, for the other thing or person or animal that you love. Just give love. Then you become free. You become free. And you walk on this earth, okay, on this planet with love and joy. And that's living, because then you become present. Okay? You can enjoy life. These feelings that are opposite of joy, love, and happiness, which are anger, hate, sadness, depression. If you're living in those vibrations for the most of your day, that's not living. Okay? That's not living. And Paramahansa Yogananda, he's one of the greats, because I've been some of his readings I've been manifesting lately, and I believe they've been manifesting lately because I wasn't ready for his type of teaching. So he's deep, and he's one of the masters that have been sent to us to learn. Okay, he says that those states are mental diseases. Okay, those mental states, and I understand that they're mental states of disease, because they are states where you are not at ease. Ease, worry, overthinking, anger, all these negative emotions. We can release them, okay? We can release them. The most important one, I think, is love. Love, especially when it's another living being, another consciousness. Okay, send that love. I gave you that way how to do it, all right? And another way to, if you stub your toe, or you're trying to do something but something's stopping you, and the anxiety, feel into the feeling, okay? Feel into the feeling. If it's anger, just feel it. It'll pop, poof. You won't literally hear poof. You'll feel relief. That's when you know. Okay? That's one way. Another way is ask yourself, what do I need to believe for this to be true? And then your conscious, the subconscious will become conscious, and you're like, oh, I have this belief. Now change it. Change it to the opposite. The best way to change a belief is change it to the opposite. Okay? Okay, what's the opposite of this belief? And then you change it, right? Or you can change it to something that serves you. You'll know what it is. I learned this through my dating coach. So before, if I had to worry about approaching a woman, I would ask myself, what do I need to believe in order for me to experience this? What do I need to believe in order for me to have this experience? What do I need to be true in order to have this experience, or to have this experience? What do I need to believe to have this experience? And then it would be like, oh, you think it's weird to approach a girl or to compliment a girl that she's beautiful. I'm like, what? That's dumb. So I'm like, as soon as I said that's dumb, I'm like, oh yeah, it's okay to, and I changed it to, it's okay to compliment a woman Okay, and tell her that she's attractive, and then ask her out. So you do that. Okay. Now, change the belief. Lastly is asking a 5-question exercise, right? And I would do this when I would feel weird about something. I'll have an uneasy feeling, so I would know that it was something I needed to uncover. So I would ask these 5 questions. And I got this from the Sedona method and from my dating coach. How am I feeling right now? Then you find out the feeling. It could be anger. For me, it was a lot of times it was anger. Angry, okay. Can I allow myself to feel angry? Yeah, you gotta allow yourself, right? Whatever comes up, just answer it. Ultimately, you want all these to be yes. And when you do that, you feel that relief. Again, like the other one that I shared, you feel like a pop and you feel like a relief, right? I kind of use a little bit of both. So when I say, can I allow myself to feel it? Yes, say yes. So, and then I already feel the relief a little bit, and then I kind of dive into it, to feel it. And then I say, can I release this feeling? Yes or no? Would I release this feeling? Yes or no? Last, when? So I say now, right? Sometimes it's like, I don't know. Oh, mostly now, because you just want to get rid of it. So you say now. And then usually, or it might be there when you feel that relief, okay? It could happen at any part of the process in those 5 questions, okay? So going back, that's just something I wanted to share because I live in such a high vibration now that when I feel a little anger or hate towards somebody, I nip it in the bud. So I see myself hugging that person, okay? Because I just feel the love of my cats, the love of my family, and then I see myself hugging that person, just hugging them. Then I go on and I just continue hugging everybody that is in my life, okay? So this love, this joy, I see you with it as well, okay? Thank you for being here. I hope you like this one. If you want more videos like this, I share them all the time. Make sure to subscribe. All right. I love you. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help the channel, help other people find this. Peace. And I love you. Boop. What the?